How to buy Ethereum on Kraken app. For that, you need to first of all launch your Kraken mobile application. Over here on the home page, you will be able to see Ethereum/USD pair. So you need to simply tap on it. Once done, you will be able to see the current chart of Ethereum. So you can use your trading skills in order to get the price at which you want to purchase it. After that, tap on the buy option in the bottom and enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase your Ethereum. After that, tap on the buy ETH option and then your orders will be placed and it will come in the orders tab. You can even tap on the positions in order to check your current positions, and you can even tap on the position history option in order to check your previous history. Then once your order will be filled, you can get it in the balances tab and you can get it in this section. So this is how you can easily buy Ethereum on Kraken app. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.